guys! Welcome to my scrappiness! Hey guys, it's Marissa again. How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's doing well and that you're keeping safe and keeping everyone around you safe. I'm going to be working on a project here, and this is supposed to be our July card swap. If you remember from my previous video last month, which by the way I'm going to link up here, I actually had joined a card swap with my friends here in I area, and we had decided to do a card swap, a monthly card swap. The theme is thinking of you with a floral background. I'm bringing in my items that I just bought from a haul that I did with scrapbook.com. I also did some haul from Joann's, which I wasn't able to show you the video of, and I got this 3 distress oxide inks. I hauled this and I'm going to link it up here. And I also hauled this Altenew layered dahlia stencils. I bought the 2, Stencil A and Stencil B, so we could do some layering. I also hauled, and I am going to insert the comparison that I did between a washi tape and this new iCraft purple tape, which when I hauled it, to me I thought it was a washi tape. I'm gonna link the comparison video up here to let you know what I found out between a washi tape and this purple tape. Anyway, without further ado, let's start playing, guys. I'm gonna go and start with, this is a cardstock from Walmart. I think the brand is Georgia. So I'm going to put this on a stencil. We're gonna start with the Stencil A, using the purple tape over here. I think I'm gonna want it that way. I'm gonna tape down over here at the back. I'll place another one down here. So let's see how that works. Okay, and then since this thing is lifting, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it down there too. So now I'm going to open our ink blending tools here. I only wanted to use 2, and I was more leaning into this 2 here, the Dusty Concord and the Wilted Violet. So let's see which is lighter, because the lighter will be the first one that I'm going to use for this layered A. Okay, let's see which is lighter of the 2. Looks like this is gonna be lighter. Let's see how it works here. Yeah, lighter. This is lighter. The Dusty Concord, it's more mauve, and then this Wilted Violet is more brighter. So let's start with this color here. We're gonna have to put more. Okay, let's see how it lifts. Ooh, I kind of like that. And then we're going to align our Stencil B. So I'm just aligning this B onto the stencil, making sure that everything is lined up. And then we're going to reuse our tapes here. Okay, make sure that it is all aligned. Okay, now we're going to use wilted violet. See how it works. Okay, time to, oh my gosh, I love it. I didn't even get to say time for the reveal and I already am like, OMG, this is so cute. So cute, guys. I love it. All right, so I'm not gonna worry too much about this. I'm going to clean that out later. I'm gonna, in fact, let me make another one. So I'm gonna try this and then I'm going to make and finish up this other inks here to finish another one. And then we'll get back. I'll get back with you guys for to finish up our card. Okay guys, I am back. I've already cut this down to 3 3/4 by 5 inches. And I am going to use this Crafter's Companion. The haul for this is going to be up in this description. The haul video is going to be up here and down in the description box below. And this is Happiness Blooms. The theme for this card swap is Thinking of You, and I happen to have Thinking of You up there. And so before we put them in here, I am using the Ebony Sparkle from Sprinkle and Sparkle. And then we're also going to be using Versamark. And we're going to be using, this is the inky Success Anti-Static Powder. I wanted to make sure that all this is dry. It is dry to the touch. However, I wanted to make sure that it is thoroughly dry. And then of course, we're going to use Crafter's Companion gun here. And so without further ado, let's start playing. I'm going to go ahead and put the powder all over. Okay, let's work on with our Misty here. I don't have the bar magnet yet, so I have the original magnets that came with the Misty, and actually one of them broke, so I just went and used my masking tape to tape them together here. You can tell I played with this a lot of times, so I'm gonna use that. And then I need to buy more of the grid papers here. Anyway, let me go ahead and put this down and then position the stamp where I need it. So I was thinking positioning the stamp over here versus Thinking of You down here maybe. Trying to think, maybe right here. Yeah, maybe right there. So let's close the door of our Misty here. Get that on there. I'm gonna put the magnet here so it doesn't move. Okay. I have my my handy piece of paper here ready for the embossing, and I'm using a Versamark here. And yeah, and you notice I did put a masking tape down here to make it easier for me to open the door, if you will. And then let's open our embossing powder. Okay, so I have this piece of cardstock here. I've had this cardstock for a while. I'm not really sure which brand this is, but anyway, I'm going to use this as a mat to our card here, and let's finish this card. Guys, I added some bling in here. I used my sequences here that I got from a crop, and this storage for my sequence is actually from scrapbook.com. This is it, guys. I hope you like it. I hope my friends like it. Let me know. Guys, if you enjoyed watching and if you like the card that I created, please give me a thumbs up. And that's basically it for now. I will catch you guys later. Bye. Be safe out there.